The EU's main institutions have banned staff from using AI videos and images in official communications. All right, let's talk about it. As I've told Politico, I understand the instinct, and I'm not surprised by it. Public institutions should be careful with any format that could deceive their audiences. But this is a bad idea. If the EU is serious about AI adoption, it cannot keep sending the message that AI is a suspect technology best kept out of sight. Effective altruists and other AI doomers already influence so much of Europe's digital policymaking. This move just reinforces the idea that generative AI is defined mainly by risk, when the better question is whether it should be used responsibly, transparently, and in the right context. Also, blanket bans also tend to create the worst kind of adoption curve. Demand doesn't disappear. It just goes underground, where staff experiment in unmanaged environments on personal accounts with consumer tools and weak security. That is how you create shadow IT. A far better approach is to give people secure, governed ways to use technology inside enterprise-grade systems with clear rules, approvals, and accountability. There is some inconsistency here as well. The Commission already supports AI tools to help public bodies communicate across languages, generate or improve content, and work more efficiently. Several European governments are already using AI in public communications, from outreach in multiple languages to public education. So this should not really be a choice between a pure human system and an AI system. The European Commission should lead by example. Article 50 of the AI Act is built around transparency for synthetic content, and the Commission is already facilitating a code of practice on marking and labeling AI-generated content with independent chairs and vice chairs drawn from technical, legal, and media fields. This is the obvious place to start. Use that work to define what responsible official use looks like. Europe does not need to choose between naive adoption and fearful abstinence. Instead of bans, we can show the world what leadership in responsible AI adoption looks like. All right, see you later.